Hello student, I am Professor Patil. Welcome all in my YouTube channel Kiran Mathematica. Let's start the course introduction. We are going to learn about Engineering Mathematics 3, the subject of second year Civil Engineering. You all know that new structure and curriculum are being introduced to be implemented from the academic year 2019-20 for first year engineering and continuing to second year for academic year 2020-21. Now I introduce you new structure and curriculum for Engineering Mathematics 3. The course code is 207001. From new structure we are getting 3 weekly hours and 1 tutorial hour. The examination scheme has been also changing. There is 30 marks in semester exam and 70 marks in SEM exam and 25 marks term work. Term work shall be based on continuous assessment of 6 assignments, 1 per each unit, and performance in internal test. Now let's see the syllabus. Unit 1 is linear differential equation and application. The first content of Unit 1 is introduction part of linear differential equation. Then complementary function and particular integral. These are the solutions of linear differential equation. General method, shortcut method, method of variation of parameter are the methods of finding particular integral. Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equation are the differential equation. We have to find solution of this equation by using linear differential equation. Same as above, we have to find solution of simultaneous and symmetric simultaneous differential equation by using linear differential equation. Last topic is the application of linear differential equation to civil engineering. The applications are modeling of problems on bending of beam, wiring of shafts and mass spring system. Unit 2 is numerical method. There are two important parts in this unit. First is numerical solution of system of linear equation and second part is numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. In first part, 4 methods are given to find solution of system of linear equation using numerical method. The methods are Gauss elimination method, Cholesky method, Jacobi method and Gauss-Seidel method. In second part also have 4 methods: Euler's method, modified Euler's method, Runge-Kutta fourth order method, predictor and corrector method. Unit 3 is statistic and probability. In this unit also have 2 parts, statistic and probability. In statistic part, the topics are measure of central tendency, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, moment, skewness and kurtosis, correlation and regression, reliability of regression estimate. In second part, the contents are probability, probability density function, probability distribution. 3 distributions are here: binomial, Poisson and normal. Test of hypothesis, 2 tests are here: chi-square test and t-test. Unit 4 is vector differential calculus. In this unit we are going to learn about differentiation of vector functions. The contents are physical interpretation of vector differentiation, vector differential operator, gradient, divergence and curve, directional derivative, solenoidal, irrotational and conservative field, scalar potential, vector identities. Unit 5 is vector integral calculus and application. In this unit we are learn about integration of vector function and their application. The contents are line, surface and volume integral, work done, Green's lemma, Gauss divergence theorem, Stokes theorem, applications to problem in fluid mechanics, continuity equation, streamlines, equation of motion, Bernoulli's equation. Unit 6 is the applications of partial differential equation. The applications are modeling of vibrating string, wave equation, 1 and 2 dimensional heat flow equation, method of separation of variable, use of Fourier series, applications of partial differential equation to problems of civil engineering and allied engineering. Now we are stop here. In next lecture we will start unit 1.